everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू and today I'm bringing to you a cosmetic review. All of you have heard about Elle and according to me, Elle is a very understated brand when it comes to their cosmetics for the only reason that they are really affordable. Yes, people say that they don't have good color ranges, they don't stay or they basically, even the color shades, but honestly, there is a logic to it. Elle has a variety, it's affordable, it comes in smaller quantities, that's right. Yes, it's not a long stay lipstick, but it's not like so today I'm going to walk you through some shades that I use personally, and I really find it very good. And if you like to try new lipsticks, this is the best thing. You can try different shades, and it is for around 100 rupees per lipstick, which is really affordable. So, and you get it on 9 cents, sometimes for 80 for that discount. So without any ado, let's begin. So I have for today 6 shades that I will be reviewing. Let's begin with the light shades first, and then I have some light shades. I have some tacky shades, like for office I have some light shades, and then I have some party shades which I use usually with So yeah, so let's get started. So first I'll start with the office shades that I have. So the first one on my list is Mauve Date. That's what it's called, Mauve Date. So Mauve Date is basically a nice pinkish shade, and I'll put it on for you. As you can see, this is just perfect for office use. It's absolutely perfect, and you can use it for office. If you're wearing something heavy, it's nice to go on a party. It's nice, it's creamy, it's soft, there is no particular smell. I love the smell of lipsticks. So this is number 1. The second shade that I have on my list is on a brownish mode. This one is Cocoa Bite. It sounds very yummy to say. This is like a nice brown shade, and it's really nice and soft brown. So this is nice. It's nice and brown, and it's creamy, it's nice, it doesn't stay like, it's not like it's stiff. This goes with almost every outfit you can think of. So this is also one of my favorites, and the 2 most favorites when it comes to office wear. The next 2 is a little, when you're in a more fun mood. So the first one is the orange. So this orange is called Let's Tango. Makes sense, right? So that's Let's Tango. I'm just getting rid of the extra oil on my face. So I don't use makeup remover, I use coconut oil. This is a nice orange shade, you can see. And it's called Let's Tango. As you can see, all these are just amazing. I love these shades. This is a shade P28, Orange Tango, and it's nice, it's very comfortable basically. There's another shade that I use, and I mix this with this shade because I like the peachy shade. This is P27 and this is called First Love. Peachy shade is nice, bright pink. So I mix this up together. You can see it's nice peachy shade, and I really love this shade. I can also use it in office, it's really comfortable. So I really like this one as well. also use the shade without any other shades. It's not like, you know, these shades are very uncomfortable, so you should just buy them. This is the original shade. It's a nice pink, a bright one. So based on what you're wearing, and it really goes well with the brown skin, whitish brown skin. So it's nice, and it's really like a pop-up shade. So these two shades that I just showed you are like pop-up shades. So which you could use for office depending on what you're wearing and stuff like that. If you're dull, you could pick up the shade. The last two shades on my list are party shades. So even one more thing about these shades. This one is the one with shea butter. I use this before. So this one is a different. This is Berry Crush. This is not the same set of lipsticks that I just used. So because this has this in between, this is nice shea butter. Honestly, it wasn't required because the lipstick itself is never dry. But I think this is meant for people with more. This is a nice purple shade. I love this, especially when I'm wearing a purple saree or something. It's very nice in the lips. You can see it just is beautiful. You see that? It's amazing and the last shade, which is my I'm so mad about this color, and I actually ended up mixing crayons and making it because I find it finally. It's called Berry Dance. And let's be ready. And after putting Berry Dance, it's ready for dance. This is how it looks. It's perfect to go with white, it's perfect to go with wines, purples, wear anything, and nudes, and it's just amazing. I love this shade. So guys, after today's review, I'm sure you'd agree with me that just because the lipstick is just $100 per lipstick, it doesn't mean it's not good enough. The quantity is a little smaller, it didn't stay, but it's beautiful. Again, if you'd like to see the shades that I have used in this video, please refer to the description. I will give out the details and numbers below. I hope you liked this video and you found it useful. Until next time, this is Elle, signing off.